Well, hello. I am at a local Walmart near the Lube and Oil Auto Center. I'm getting ready to put together the Harbor Freight ATV cargo rack that I bought for the back of the van. Now, I watched a video. Rob or Bob or somebody on Harbor Freight website said it was so easy to put together. So I watched his video, and then I even YouTubed it to see if anybody had put one together, and some guy had put one together in 8 minutes. We're going to see how long it takes me. I'm going to try to video my process and put this cargo rack together. I have a hitch on the back of the van already, so I have to put it together, then slide it into the hitch and put the pins, cotter pins and bolts in it, because I don't know why everybody's putting their batteries inside their vans with them, and I just didn't think that was a good idea. I mean, propane and batteries all inside the van in such a tiny living space seems to me like set up for bad things to happen. So I said, well, I don't want the battery inside with me, so I'm gonna buy the cargo rack to go in the back and put the battery inside a battery box and just mount it to the cargo rack and leave it on the outside of the van, so if anything explodes, any sulfuric acid tumbles over, tilts over, whatever, it won't be inside excuse me, the van where I'm living. So to me, that was my best option. I didn't want to put it, anywhere in the back, because it's just, I'm sleeping back there, and boom, if it blows up one night and I'm in back there, that's a hot mess, for real, literally. So we're going to put together, I'm going to put together this cargo rack, and we're going to see how that goes. But I have bought, I've been trying to put my videos, but I haven't had much success. Well, I haven't given that much time either, but I bought an inverter, and I have a cargo rack coming for the roof that I'm going to mount the Harbor Freight 100-watt solar panels to myself. And then the battery, like I said, is going to go in the back in the cargo rack that I'm going to attach to the back of the van. And then we're going to put the cords in through the back doors to the inside that way, the cables. So I'm going to start this project, and it's very windy today, so hopefully nothing blows away. And then I'm at the Walmart, so if I need any other tools, which the guy on the video at Harbor Freight said you only need wrenches and gloves and safety goggles, which I didn't understand why you needed safety goggles, to just screw in some bolts. But I have safety goggles if I do need them, but I don't think I should need those. But I have everything that I need to become power efficient except for the battery, which I didn't want to buy yet until I get the cargo rack set up. So I'll tune in a little later and show you my progress.